Hello, friends. Let's spell sun on the board. S-U-N. Sun. S-U-N. Sun. Tap the sun to make it shine. Now watch the flower grow and smile. The flower is happy to see the sun. Great job! S-U-N. Sun. S-U-N. Sun. Watch the sun shine. It's rising up into the sky. Look how bright and happy it is. Sun to slow. Great, I'm shining bright. Wow, look flowers. Whoa, shining over the field. S-U-N. Sun. Now, let's make a flower grow. Abracadabra, grow and smile. Hello, sun. I'm smiling back at you.